Dietary fiber is an often overlooked but vital component of a healthy diet. It is a type of carbohydrate that the body cannot digest, which might make it seem less important at first glance. However, its role in promoting good health is substantial. Fiber is categorized into two main types, soluble and insoluble, each serving unique functions in the body. Soluble fiber, found in foods like oats, apples, and beans, dissolves in water to form a gel-like substance, which helps slow down digestion and regulate blood sugar levels. This type of fiber can also lower cholesterol by binding to bile acids and removing them from the body, thus reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, does not dissolve in water and helps add bulk to the stool, promoting smoother and more regular bowel movements. It is commonly found in foods like whole grains, nuts, and vegetables. Meeting daily fiber requirements can help prevent a range of health issues. For example, a diet rich in fiber can alleviate and prevent constipation, a common digestive issue that affects people of all ages. It also supports a healthy weight by increasing feelings of fullness, which can reduce overall calorie intake. Studies have shown that individuals who consume higher amounts of fiber tend to have lower body weights and are less likely to gain weight over time. Moreover, for people managing diabetes or at risk of developing it, fiber's ability to stabilize blood sugar is a crucial benefit. The slower digestion of carbohydrates leads to more gradual absorption of glucose, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. In addition to digestive and metabolic benefits, fiber plays a key role in maintaining a healthy gut. It acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in the gut, which produce short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, that are crucial for gut integrity and immune health. A diet lacking in fiber can disrupt this balance, leading to an overgrowth of harmful bacteria, inflammation, and an increased risk of developing conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and colorectal cancer. This is why health experts emphasize the importance of including fiber from diverse sources, such as fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains, to ensure all the different functions of fiber are covered. Nevertheless, while fiber is essential, moderation is crucial. Too much fiber, especially introduced rapidly into the diet, can lead to bloating, gas, and abdominal discomfort. It's important to increase fiber intake gradually and ensure adequate hydration to help the body adjust. By balancing the intake of soluble and insoluble fibers, individuals can maximize the health benefits without experiencing unwanted side effects. In conclusion, dietary fiber is more than just a tool for digestive health.